Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best electric panel labels is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to enhance safety and organization within their electrical system, ensuring that every circuit breaker is clearly identified and easily accessible in case of emergencies or routine maintenance, ultimately saving valuable time and preventing potential hazards by making troubleshooting a breeze. Number 5. Smart Labels QR Code Stickers, 48-pack. Tired of clutter? Our color-coded QR code system makes organizing your storage effortless. Simply scan to find what you need, when you need it. Keep track of your items from anywhere with our user-friendly app, compatible with both iOS and Android. Effortlessly manage your labels and stay organized. Stop wasting time searching. Our powerful search tool lets you locate stored items instantly with a quick scan. It's perfect for home or business organization. Get started with free scanning for all your labels. This is a cost-effective solution for anyone looking to streamline their organization, especially for beginners. Upgrade to our professional plan for advanced features. Easily export your inventory data to PDF or CSV for detailed record keeping, ideal for businesses and movers. The professional plan offers comprehensive inventory management for just $14.95 per year. Simplify your tracking and reporting with this valuable upgrade. What we like. This option offers smart organization with color-coded QR codes and app management for seamless inventory tracking. If you're looking for a digital solution to manage your storage and want to avoid recurring fees, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who prefer app-based organization and need a straightforward system for inventory. What people say. The labels are easy to read and apply. They are durable and stay on well. The variety of labels included is comprehensive. Number 4. Breaker Panel Labels Electric Box Sticker. Get a set of 4 durable circuit breaker directory labels. Each one can hold up to 42 entries and comes with digital dots for easy circuit identification. They're reusable, tear-resistant, and provide a long-lasting solution for your needs. Each label features numbered round stickers. Simply stick these onto your fuses to quickly and easily identify the correct one, saving you time and hassle. These load center identification stickers measure approximately 30 by 18 centimeters, with 1 centimeter diameter round stickers. They are made with strong adhesive and are waterproof, ensuring they stay put on any smooth surface. These electrical panel stickers are designed for convenience. You can easily write on them with a marker pen to label your circuits. While waterproof, please avoid soaking them directly in water. Perfect for use in door panels, electrical panels, and breaker boxes. You can even cut them to size to perfectly fit the number of fuses in your breaker box, making them incredibly practical. What we like. These labels are reusable, tear-resistant, and waterproof, making them a durable choice for identifying circuits. If you need a practical and long-lasting solution for your electrical panel that can be written on and reused, this is the one. It's perfect for anyone who wants a simple, effective way to label their breaker box for quick identification. What people say. The number stickers are great, not too small, easy to read, and stick well. This is a nice way to clean up the labels in your breaker panel, especially if something has been changed or circuits added and you have lines through the old names, etc. Perfect to mark any electrical box. Size is perfect. Easily readable. Number 3. Brother PTD 210 Easy-to-Use Label Maker. Meet the Brother PTD 210, your new go-to for effortless labeling. This easy-to-use device makes creating professional-looking labels a breeze. With intuitive one-touch keys, accessing fonts, frames, and symbols is incredibly simple. Get creative with multiple font styles and pre-designed templates. It prints up to 2 lines of text on labels up to 12 mm wide. You have a wide selection of 14 fonts, 97 frames, and over 600 symbols to choose from. Featuring 27 user-friendly templates, you can quickly create labels for various needs. This makes organizing your home or office more efficient than ever. This label maker comes in a clean white finish, designed for practicality. Its compact size ensures it fits easily into your workspace. What we like. This label maker offers a user-friendly experience with quick access to fonts, frames, and symbols, plus 27 built-in templates. If you need a versatile tool for creating custom labels for various household or office needs beyond just electrical panels, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for crafters, organizers, or anyone who appreciates a simple, all-in-one labeling solution. What people say. Easy to set up and change cartridges. Nice selection of borders, characters, fonts, etc. You can save up to 30 presets, which is perfect for me. I have 5 different labels to print in different colors. The file save open feature is excellent. It's small and compact and doesn't use a lot of space. The quality of the build is great and it's sturdy. Number 2. Vinyl Circuit Breaker Directory Labels. Introducing our premium circuit breaker directory labels. Made from high-quality, writable vinyl, these labels are sweat, water, and oil resistant, ensuring they last a long time without fading or tearing. Our labels are designed for easy reading from both directions. This ensures clear visibility regardless of how your breaker box is installed, making identification simple. Each label includes round stickers to place on individual fuses. This allows for fast and easy identification of the correct fuse when you need it most. These labels can be easily cut to fit your specific breaker box. For the best results, we recommend using a permanent marker or ballpoint pen for customization. Featuring the highest quality adhesive, these labels stick firmly to any surface, whether plastic or metal. They are built to stay in place. With the capacity for up to 48 entries, these labels are suitable for both house and commercial use. They provide a comprehensive solution for organizing your electrical panel. What we like. These labels are made from premium, non-tearable vinyl that is water, sweat, and oil resistant, with a strong adhesive for firm sticking. If you need labels that can withstand tough conditions, both indoors and outdoors, and are easy to read from any angle, this is your best bet. It's suitable for both home and commercial use where durability and clarity are paramount. What people say. Turned out great. I had to trim to fit, but the material is quality vinyl that is peel and stick. And the Sharpie doesn't smudge or smear. Very nice label, just what we needed, much easier to read and looks so much better. Makes labeling breaker boxes so much clearer and easy. Number 1. Square D UCD 42CP Universal Circuit Directory Kit. Introducing the Square D Universal Circuit Directory Kit. This kit makes organizing your electrical panel effortless. It's designed for easy identification and maintenance. Each kit includes self-adhesive, pre-labeled circuit labels. They are quick to apply and ensure anyone can easily read and understand your panel layout. Beyond circuit identification, there's a dedicated space to note your electrician's contact information. This ensures you have help readily available when needed. These labels are universal and can be cut to your desired length. Choose the format that best suits your panel's circuit breaker type and number of spaces. Whether you're replacing an old, mislabeled directory or setting up a new installation, this kit is the perfect solution. Keep your panel organized and up to date. The kit also comes with numbered circuit breaker labels. These help reinforce the alignment of your breakers to the directory for even greater clarity. What we like. This kit provides universal, self-adhesive, pre-labeled circuit labels designed for quick application and easy reading, even including space to note your electrician's contact. If you're looking for a standardized and convenient solution for a new installation or to replace old, mislabeled directories, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for ensuring clear and professional labeling of your electrical panel. What people say. The numeric strips that make the embossed breaker position easy to read is worth the price alone. The kit comes with a ton of different spacing stickers, so it should be good for all panels. All circuits are easy to read without any mistaken numbering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.